How to add your bio on your Instagram account on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your bio on Instagram on your edit profile settings on iOS phone. As you see here, you go here to your profile icon, click on it. You will see edit profile, click on it, and as you see, you will see bio here, click on it, and here you can write anything, and after you write, just click done and it will be changed, it will be done. And that's how to add your bio on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.